The Junia AI editor can be used in a variety of ways to assist you in creating engaging, high-quality content. One of the easiest ways to get started is by using one of our pre-built content templates. For instance, the blog post generator, simply by inputting what's on your mind. Alternatively, you can input a few keywords or thoughts that come to mind, highlight the text, and then hit expand. Whenever you're stuck and don't know where to start, just put in a keyword and let Junia work its magic. You can also import from Markdown, HTML, a Word document, or WordPress. To import from WordPress, simply input the id or slug of your existing article. Review the imported content and ask AI to improve any of the article section. You can also ask our AI to generate a complementary image for your articles section. Additionally, you can set up a custom writing style from our brand voice and feed our AI some additional context about the article you're writing using our info base. There you have it. Hello. In this video, I'm going to write a blog post on how to go viral on TikTok in 2023. First, I will put in the topic. I can also input the keywords I want to rank for, but this step is optional because our AI will automatically conduct keyword research for you later on. Next, generate a captivating headline. If you are not happy with any of the options presented, you can generate more and edit it from there. That works as well. I am going to go ahead and use my competitors' articles on similar topics. This will enable the AI to scrape those articles and analyze why they rank high. It will recognize the keywords and search intent and incorporate them into the article I am writing. Optionally, you can manually input the URLs of articles you have in mind by clicking one of the plus icons. The next step is optional, but it is highly recommended to provide specific instructions to further customize the generated content. For instance, you can include a compelling call to action promoting your brand in the article's final section or throughout the piece. You can also provide additional relevant factual information about the article, such as details about you, your brand, or your company. In this case, if I want to promote Junia, I will use our info base to pre-train AI on what Junia AI is, what we do, and what our brand mission is. This ensures that the AI will keep this information in mind during the article writing process. You also have the option to provide a custom writing style. For instance, you can use our brand voice to define what makes you unique, ensuring consistency in all your generated pieces. Our AI is also capable of conducting automatic internal and external linking to further enhance the SEO ranking of your article. Simply connect Junia with your domain or any website URLs. However, ensure you already have relevant articles related to the topic or keyword on your website. Next, we will choose an appropriate word count and generate a detailed outline. Once you have generated the outline, you can review and edit it. For example, you might increase the word count of each section, add new talking points, or introduce new article sections. Use the drag and drop feature to rearrange the sections as needed. You also have the option to regenerate the outline. Once you're satisfied, we can generate the final article. Once the article is generated, click on the link to proceed to the editor for some final polishing before publishing the article. Here, you will find that there are already 4,000 words generated for this article, along with a featured image and some FAQs on the SEO tab. Now, I can generate a meta title, meta description, and review and edit the FAQs. Optionally, you can create additional FAQs and use the copy button to incorporate these FAQs into your blog. Depending on your website hosting service, if you use WordPress, you have the option to either paste them as HTML into your blog or copy them as JSON LD with the help of a plugin. What I normally do now is to go through each article section with a glance and look for the section that requires some additional attention. I may need to fix the formatting or enhance the comprehensiveness of a section, either by instructing the AI or using one of our pre-built options to edit the text. For me, I find the expand option incredibly powerful. Simply select the text or keywords and hit expand. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.